secret life of animals. We will be travelling around the world to look at secret lives of
Now this is a rare rainbow butterfly.
Ooh, so pretty. Lovely.
Bottle flip!
Stop fucking up! Get out! Get off the ground!
We'll be back after this short
Your
break.
parents done this to you.
Get outside and do something now!
Mom!
You can go outside and be playing video games with new Pokemon Go.
There's a Charizard!
Yes! Now we're back.
Now we're seeing a very rare sighting. A bear is getting married.
Honey Bear, do you take this tree to be your lawfully wedded husband?
Yes.
Tree, do you take this bear to be your lawfully wedded wife? Yes! Oh my god, okay. You may now kiss the tree.
There's another short ad break.
Right here we have the beautiful iPhone 500 with all of its best qualities. Now, the camera is great. There's only a back camera, so now I'm going to try take a camera selfie. What you do is you put your finger on the selfie button, and, on the photo button, and you go, selfie! And you hope to God that it's a good selfie, or then you have to take heaps more in the complicated manner. Another great thing about this is the speaker system. Yes, see this speaker right here? That's where the words come out. It is great because you can't hear anything and I can't hear the phone when it rings. Another great quality is the fact that you can pull the back right off. So if I drop it, no need to worry, I can just make the battery fall out and break the battery. But one of the best qualities is that it has no lock on it, so that anyone could read my text messages. Well, that's all I've got for the iPhone 5S, valued at $1 million. Please look out for it and buy it at your next store. Toodles!
Ooh, iPhone 500. Oh my god, it vocals are sweetie. Oh! I am looking for a wild bird. Caw! 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 Hello. Caw! I speak bird language, so I'm going to interview this bird.
Now we're interviewing a bird we found. We named him Carl.
What do you like to eat, Carl?
He eats worms and bugs.
Where do you live, Carl? Do you live by yourself or do you have friends? No, he has no friends. He's a loner. Carl, are there any other birds you're into?
Get back here, Carl! We haven't done the interview, Carl! And that's how the interviewer made the bird run away. We're not paying you the money, Carl!
Hey, there's a Pokemon! Get him! Get him! Get him! Hold him down! Balls! Alright! Yeah! Get on the ground! Stay on the ground! Balls! Get the Pokeballs! Yes! Balls!
This is Carl getting attacked by Pokemon hunters.
I think Carl's been scared off by the Pokemon hunters and he's gone. Oh well.